When it comes to your Wi-Fi, all you want is one thing, for it to work awesome. Like here. Here.
Dude, build something. What are you doing? He's right on you.
Here. And even here. It's a simple ask, and Netgear knows it because they're the ones that solved it with Orbi. From the basement
Get in the bush. You're gonna
Out
die.
of the bush.
to the backyard, dock. Orbi Wi-Fi covers it all. And when it comes to kids online, Circle on Netgear keeps you in control. Set bedtimes, pause the internet, and use filters. Do you have a smart speaker? Good. Give it to Grandma. With Orbi Voice, you get a smart speaker and smart Wi-Fi all in one. With better sound and better Wi-Fi and less clutter. It even has Amazon Alexa built right in.
Alexa, say something smart.
Okay, buy an Orbi.
So if your home has the fastest, most expansive, and reliable Wi-Fi on the planet, you either have an Orbi or you don't. Orbi, better Wi-Fi everywhere.